Hey everybody, I just wanted to take a few minutes to pop into the group today to give you guys some kind of just quick updates on some things that Ben and I have been working on, and also because we just kind of have some exciting things that is going to just mean some more resources for you guys, and just some more things we're going to be able to start offering you guys in the group. So a couple of things for those of you that don't know, or if you are not friends with Ben or myself on Facebook outside of this group, we, so we've been selling on Amazon now for almost 4 years, and our business ending in 2018, which we're working on all of our tax stuff right now. Yippee skippy. But we sold just under 2 million in total sales last year. So obviously our current brand, we're just really ramping it up. We saw an increase then from 2017 where we ended at 1.2 million. So we're moving that forward. But one thing that we want to make sure is that we stay fresh for you guys. And also we just really love the time freedom and the location freedom that we have with this business. So we RV full-time in the summer because we can. And because of that, we are starting a second brand in a second niche on Amazon. And our brand is called Grateful Glamper. Feel free to look us up there. But needless to say, part of the reason that we're doing this, and we are getting ready to launch 2 products. They're both en route. They're shipping over to the US via sea. Both products are shipping by sea. So we wanted to make sure we stay fresh. We want to stay fresh for you guys. We want to kind of be in the trenches with you guys that are launching products. So we really wanted to make sure that we are a valuable resource to all of you in this group. So not only are we experienced, seasoned Amazon sellers that have been selling for a while, but we are also in the process of launching brand new products in a brand new niche. When we started this whole brainchild and I had a logo made up from a graphic artist. I mean, this was from scratch, completely from scratch, which is where some of you guys are at. So, I mean, we bought a domain, we put up a website. I mean, we are starting literally from scratch, and we have been doing some things in the process. So we did our product research. We decided the first couple of products we wanted to bring to market. If you caught my Facebook Live in this group a week or so ago about consumable products, both of the products that we're launching are consumables because we wanted to capture that. So, or capture that market rather with people that we're going to need to purchase over and over and over with those consumable products. So we are in the trenches with you guys right now. We've started building our audience on social media, utilizing some just giveaways and things like that to be able to build an audience so that when we do launch our products, we have an audience to launch to. So brand new listings, guys. Like this week, I have a whole bunch of tasks assigned to Ben. Ben, you better be getting busy to write brand new listings. We're having our product photos done right now. So like we're right in it with you guys, and we're going through this with you. And what we want to do is we want to kind of even use this new brand as even a little bit of a case study to let you guys know where we're at, the things that we're running into, some of the hiccups we're running into. I have a small hiccup. Hopefully it's a small hiccup that I'm running into with one of our products. My husband's joining me here.
Hello. Sorry, I was just writing some listings, but I had to come and adjust the mic settings real quick.
It's my tech geek husband saying the audio is not good enough. Anyway, so running into some snags, right? Like this business isn't perfect and you hit some roadblocks along the way. And so I ran into a little roadblock this week where I found out that one of our products that when I checked the ASINs of all of our competitors' products for the exact same product, was not listed as hazmat, but the MSDS sheet I got from my supplier would indicate it is hazmat. So yeah, we'll have to figure that one out. So I'll be figuring that out this week. But all of that to say, we just want to make sure that we are a valuable resource for you guys and that we're staying fresh on what's going on with launching new products. It's a little bit easier for the products we've already launched where we've got, 1,700 plus reviews and we have really good visibility on Amazon. But we also want to stay fresh on what it takes to get a new product launched. How do we get this thing where it's showing in searches on Amazon, where it's ranked for keyword searches on Amazon? So we're going to just be popping on from time to time, and we're going to be sharing with you guys what it's like for us, and then also tips and tricks that will hopefully be helpful to you too that are in this phase of either product research, product launch, writing a listing, all of that will be helpful for you guys moving forward and moving your businesses forward. And then again, as always, please utilize this group. We have a lot of experience in this group, and then even just, Ben and I myself, we've been in these Amazon trenches for a while too with our other brand and our other niche. So we are just really trying to expand our knowledge base and expand the resources and the resource that we personally can be to all of you guys in this group. So feel free to, if you have any questions or anything like that, drop them in the comments on this video. Make sure that you utilize this group. Make sure you utilize the files tab of this group, guys. I've got some great resources there. Particularly, I was talking with somebody in this group earlier today. My supplier outreach template that I use whenever I am dealing with a new supplier. In just how I negotiate, but also what I have them put on all of our invoices as far as our ALQ standard, or our acceptable quality level standard, where we expect that when we do order products that they're going to be a certain quality, and that we're not going to accept anything substandard. So there's a lot of resources. Check out the files tab if you haven't in a while. See what is there, especially if you're negotiating with suppliers. That's a great resource, but there's other resources there too. And we are just really going to have a lot of focus on supporting you guys in this group. We really don't want you to feel like that you're in this journey alone, and that you do have, a resource with Ben and myself in this group that you guys can utilize along the way. So don't want to be too long-winded, so I will go ahead and leave it at that. And then again, if you're watching this video on the replay later or whatever, just drop a question, or just even in the comments, just let us know that you were watching it on the replay. And let us know too if there's any resources that you guys feel that are missing, if there's resources that you feel that you are needing, because we would love to just hear from you guys too on what some of the resources are that maybe would be helpful for you and where you're at in your business. And we'll just keep you updated and posted as we move along and starting our brand new Amazon business with our new brand and in that new niche. So take care, everybody. I find my mouse here so I can finish this up, and we'll catch you later.